So I'm sitting in a 2014 VF Commodore wagon. Now, Sonia, one of the problems that we've had in the past is kind of when we go away, we've got nowhere to stay, and yet now we've got the bed in the back of the wagon. Immediately you're saving money on accommodation, and it's actually quite comfortable. Right, so I'm going to demonstrate how good these cars are to install a bed in the back. Now I have a little three-piece folding mattress here. Got this one online for about, what was it, $120, something like that?
Something like that. It's
even got a little sweet kind of pillow. You almost don't even need a pillow for this thing, which is super helpful. So this is a one-man job, but Sonia is going to give me a hand. Actually, Jody, do you think you could grab the other side?
100%. Got
Jody here. In fact, I'm going to let you both have a crack, and I'm just going to supervise from the middle. Oh wait, is that the way we want it? Yes, that's the way we want it. It's 116 centimeters wide, which is perfect. Actually, yeah, there we go. Look at that. Like a glove. Now, Jody, I'm 6'2", and I'm telling you, this is very comfortable.
Okay.
Let me demonstrate. Now, can one of you close the bonnet, close the boot?
Sure. Okay. And he's in the boot. He's in the boot. We should probably let him out.
Okay, the point of that demonstration, by the way, it wasn't in all the way. Kind of got to just get it in there a little bit. The point of that is that you can own a wagon and comfortably sleep in the back. This particular model, I believe, is slightly longer than the previous. Actually, I could be wrong about that. Anyway, it's long enough to sleep in it. Why do I have you two standing there like this? Where did you come from?
I just third wheel. I feel like three of us could fit in here as well. Just saying.
You'd get in there. You'd definitely get in there. You'd both. It'd be cramped, but you could give it a try. So you can get these online. These are actually. I looked around a bit, and I went to some of the camping stores. Honestly, camping stores they're having a laugh because you'll pay double what you will online. So go online. I think I got this on catch.com, something cheap and cheerful. It cost me nothing, 120 bucks. You will save that in a night on an Airbnb. So there you go, VF Commodore. Look at that. The envy of the campsite.